And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
Welcome back, and I hope you've had a fantastic weekend. Kind of an unsettled and blustery evening in Cripple Creek on Bennett Avenue, but not a whole lot of weather going on there other than just the gusty wind at the present time. And I wanted to show you Monarch. Take a look at this day where the skiers were out and about and enjoying it for the morning, the early afternoon hours, and then watch what happens right at the tail end here. The clouds come in, then the wind picks up, and the snow chases all the skiers away. And that's the way it went today up in Monarch. Meanwhile, in the Springs, 63 was the official high temperature, 14 above the average high of 49 degrees, but not quite close to the record of 70, which will stay in the books. 71 for our friends in Pueblo. 56 is the average high. You can do the math there. Quite a bit warmer than typical. Meanwhile, weather headlines, blustery and cooler weather coming our way. No real storms in sight. High and dry weather and the red flag warning. Looks like it's going to return again for tomorrow between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. No burning, please, whatsoever. Meanwhile, current readings are cooling down. 29 in Monument, 37 in the Springs, pair of 4s in Pueblo, the Arkansas River Valley being the warmest part of the viewing area right now, 45 in La Junta. I'm going to show you tonight's low temperatures and tomorrow's high temperatures forecast. And while I tell you this, I want to point out to you that at some point this afternoon, Lamar, Springfield, Trinidad, and La Vida all had relative humidities at 3% at some point this afternoon. You can only get down to 1. You can't go below 1% humidity. That's incredibly low humidity, very, very dry air. Mid and upper 20s by tomorrow morning, much cooler tomorrow afternoon than today, but that's close to average. 40s, low and middle 50s, mid to upper for the plains. Gusty winds right now, 24 in the Springs, 18 in Pueblo, 10 in Walsenburg, 20 in La Junta, 12 in Canyon City. As we go through the nighttime hours, the blue indicates in the 20s, the greens in the 30s. So you can pick out here at least 20 to 30 mile per hour sustained winds with some higher gusts into tomorrow morning. 20 to 30 higher gusts until 3 or 4 in the afternoon. Then the winds begin to settle down, but still in the teens at sunset tomorrow night. And they're becoming much more tolerable by the time we get to Tuesday. Meanwhile, the cold front that's been passing through over the last 4 hours, you can see it had some moisture on the western slopes, but as it crosses over the divide and over Pikes Peak, a little area of snow right here you can see evaporates, goes away over El Paso County, comes back in Elbert and Lincoln counties, and continues on its path to our east. So a dry frontal passage, but cooler air is coming in behind this storm that's been cranking up across Wyoming and Montana. And that's dragging this cold front around its tail, and that's bringing in some cooler weather on a gusty wind for your Monday and Tuesday. Here's the pocket of cold air that's coming our way on the jet stream flow. You can see it moves right overhead tonight and tomorrow, and then begins easing off to the east tomorrow night into Tuesday, allowing some warmer temperatures to build for the middle and end of the next upcoming week. So your forecast, mix of sun and clouds, blustery and cool, but seasonable for Monday and Tuesday. Sunny for Wednesday and Thursday, warming up Thursday into Friday. Don't forget Saturday night, the clocks, they get pushed ahead. Pueblo, 56 tomorrow, so quite a bit cooler than today. A mix of sun and clouds. Cool at night, 52 on Tuesday, similar sky. Totally sunny on Wednesday and Thursday. Nice on Friday. Still no rain or snow in sight there. Canyon City, dry through the 7-day stretch, 55 tomorrow, 50 on Tuesday, 52 on Wednesday, and then 60s again for Thursday and Friday. Woodland Park, the only chance for precip will be on Saturday. Does not look like a lot at this point. It's a long way off, but more seasonable readings for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And in regards to the red flag situation for tomorrow, Sam Schreiner will be in tomorrow morning and will keep us up to date on the situation.
You mentioned it. This is our last weekend on standard time before daylight saving time kicks in next Sunday.
That's right.
Sunday morning.
And 16 days until calendar spring, but we already had it.
Yeah,
begin
basically.
This weekend.
All right. Thanks, Jeff.